Meow. Meow. I couldn't resist drawing this cute little funny cat face. Capture that goofy expression. Just kind of getting my shapes in here. Here's my eye line. And the reason my pencil goes back and forth quite a bit when I'm doing this is because I'm finding my way, and I've got it sped up to twice the speed here. So it seems like I'm finding my way a lot quicker than I am. But it takes some time. Those inner corners of the eyes really define where the nose is going to go. And then I just kind of feel out what looks good for what feels right for where the nose is. I'll define the eyes a little bit more because they're definitely my focal point here. And then that lovely shape of Kitty's face. Those nice big, it's one of those cats. It has the big round jowls. I like to get a little smirk in there. I mean, this cat in the photo has kind of got a goofy expression anyway, so I'm really trying to play that up. Don't forget to join our Facebook group if you really are passionate about drawing cats. We would love to have you as part of the community. You will find the link for that group in the video description below, and some other handy links too. Just get those pupils in there. They really add to the expression of this kitty. And it's going a little bit faster here, about 3 times as fast as normal speed. I just like to get my lines down spontaneously, but at the same time they're, well, thought out, or felt out, I guess. I kind of go by intuition more than anything. I just wasn't super happy about where that ear was, so I fixed it up a little. And please subscribe to the channel, help build our community of crazy cat artists. Hit that little bell for notifications of when the next video pops up. And we'd love to have you. I want to play up that tooth, that one-sided fang smile. I like it. You can add so much expression just by varying your lines. Just changing the direction of a line somewhere can totally change the expression of your cat. It's about 4 times speed now. Yeah, just softening up some lines here adds to the expression too. Helps vary the lines, so thicker in some spots, thinner in other spots. It really adds interest to the drawing. And some whisker dots randomly put in and slap those whiskers down. I like it. I'm really liking this goofy looking kitty. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.